Uy, may pambato pala tayo sa welterweight division, katimbang ni Manny Pacquiao. Napakadelikadong boksingero nito dahil sa 8 panalo niya, 6 ang sinalbahe sa ibabaw ng lona. Tignan mo ginawa niya, Brad, sa hambog na Thai champion. O diba? Gumulong ng gumulong na parang hotdog sa ibabaw ng nagmamantikang kawali. Yan tuloy, anyabang kasi. Eto pa, bully daw to, malabuldog ng Thailand. Bang! Naku! Pinagmukhang bagito lang ng Pinoy knockout artist. Pagkatapos sa Thailand, mukhang plano niyang ubusin ang mga welterweight ng Japan. Mga kababayan, marahil hindi nyo pa kilala ang boksingerong nagngangalang Raymart El Bazooka Soledad. Pues ipapakilala ko sa inyo. Napakasalbahe ng boksingerong to sa ibabaw ng lona. May record na 8 wins, walang talo at 6 na impresibong knockout. May husay, diskarte, talino, speed, power at syempre, angat ang abilidad niya. Kumpara sa mga Asyanong kadibisyon niya, yung knockout power nito, Brad, talagang nagbibigay ng trauma sa kalaban. Really? Because he's undefeated for a reason. Magaling humanap ng butas o anggulo kung saan pwede isingit ang mga big punches. Yung tipong isang suntok lang, titiklop na parang makahiya. Pinag-aagawan ng promoter dahil nakita nila ang potensyal nito in the future. Marami tayong mga undefeated prospect ngayon tulad nila Wonderboy Martin, Kenneth Llover, Christian Pete Laurente, Eman Bacosa, AJ Pasiones at marami pang iba. Ito challenge ko sa'yo, Brad. Kung legit ka na boxing fan, ikomento mo dyan sa ibaba kung sino pa ang nakaligtaan nating i-mention na undefeated Pinoy na magaling rin. Tubong Negros Occidental to, Brad. Lugar ng mga matatapang. Kung gusto mo ng 1-2 sawang bakbakan, eto matindi. Hindi sayang oras mo dito dahil bardagulan ang siste. 25 anyos pa lang to, ha? Kasalukuyang nagtitraining sa Highland Boxing Gym kung saan nakabase rin sina Miel Fajardo at si Prince Albert Pagara ang nagmimistulang kuya nila bilang veterano sa grupo. Gaya ng sabi ko, kadibisyon to ni Manny Pacquiao, Brad. Ang laking mama nito. Bad trip na nga sa kanya yung mga taga-Thailand dahil sa last 6 fights niya, puro Thailander ang kalaban. And guess what? Knockout lahat, walang nakaligtas. At ang 4 ay hanggang first round lang. Grabe, bay. Baka sabihin nyo, nagsisinungaling ako. Eto, handog ko sa inyo ang top 5 latest knockouts ni Raymart Soledad. Para kayo mismo, hindi si Arnold Clavio ang saksi sa bagsik nitong El Bazooka. Tara, pakilike ng ating video, rektahin na natin to. Let's go!
Against Nahatak.
Okay, first fight tayo mga kababayan. Soledad versus Nahantoch Sing Manasak. Haba ng pangalan, may gym pa. Okay, super lightweight division. Ginanap sa Bangkok, Thailand. Top 5 knockout tayo ni Soledad. Good counter by Soledad. Soledad fighting in white and red, ha. Then the opponent fighting in black and gold.
Smart here. Nahatak just got to be careful when he punches. He's leaving
punch there by Nata Hook.
Uppercut by the opponent, pero
I think this is what he's looking for.
Soledad is the aggressive one in looking for a big punch knockout.
We've said before.
Good body shot by Soledad. Uy, bagsak yung kalaban, Brad. Sinundan pa ng another body shots.
And he's up already.
Tinuloy.
Will we see the Filipino fighter try and take him out early?
Good hook by the opponent. Uy, yun lang. Mahina sa body shot. Insadyang malakas lang din talaga sa body shot itong Soledad. Okay, second fight tayo. Top 4 knockout ni Soledad versus Langkabam. Wearing black and red, and Soledad wearing the typical red and white. Uy, umikot! Naku, body shot ulit, Brad! Grabe, makahukay sa bodega. Tinataniman ng kamote tsaka talbos.
And is hungry, he's already having hungry Soledad. A left by Soledad.
Body shot, okay. Grabe, oh.
Body by Soledad. Left and right to the... Again, left and right. Beautiful.
Talagang mapapakamot ka sa bandang hindi makate. You know?
Here we go in and go again. Soledad left and right again. Left
Good
and right.
flurry
left and
by
right.
Soledad.
Again.
The opponent is having hard time to counter.
Manachoy trying to defend him. Another punch to the body by
Pinipilit
Soledad.
sumabay ng kalaban ha. Pero yung Pinoy talaga andun yung raw power tsaka talagang knockout puncher, nakakatakot.
Left and right again.
Matibay din eh.
Right party's going to the midsection of the rudder.
Body shot. Good uppercut by opponent. Okay, kinain lang ni Soledad. Grabe tong Pinoy na to.
Soledad coming in punches.
Bagsak ulit, Brad.
Manachoy Jim is
Wala
going
na,
down.
di kaya. Okay, mabilisan tayo, di ba? Bilis lang eh, top 3 knockout kagad. Soledad versus Chinatip Hawipon. Ang haba talaga ng mga pangalan nitong mga Thailander na to. Okay, so for lightweight division again, Bangkok, Thailand.
Remat just grazing that left hook upstairs, lands a nice right hand downwards.
Good body shot. Uy, binawian, Brad.
Returns with an uppercut of his
Nako.
own. Right hand upstairs. Still trying to get on his bicycle away from
Kita mo yung build ni Soledad, talagang brusko. Yung kalaban medyo manipis ha. Good body shot, malutong.
Right under the elbows of Chinatip. Beautiful punch select. Left hook once again, just digging at the same spot over and over. Remat Soledad still trying to find those openings on Chinatip. Final 10 seconds. Right hand there, crunch. But Chinatip's got
Medyo mababa yun.
He's got
Okay.
to give his opponent something to worry about.
Okay, second round tayo mga kababayan.
Ring Rema in the luminous green shorts from the Philippines.
Paano may palag yung Thailander?
Their openings.
Good work for Soledad.
Boxing going on so far.
Ito talaga inaabangan natin, Brad, pag dumayo sa Japan to. Kasi inuubos niya yung titulo sa Asia. Dinadayo niya like Thailand, di ba? Mga Pinoy din nakakalaban niya. Kumbaga mahirap depensahan to itong si Soledad. Masyadong malakas. Maganda itapat to sa mga Japanese.
Right hook to the body. Left hook returns.
Body sa body, ha? Mapalag yung kalaban.
Starting to put levity. There's the Mickey Ward special coming out once again.
Grabe.
Slaps the glove of Chinatip. Chinatip in the upstairs.
Mas naalog yung kalaban sa suntok ni Soledad.
Right hand across the forehead. The official 10 is underway. The fight is starting to warm up. Swing and a miss there by Rema. Goes forward. Hammers up.
Okay, third round tayo.
On Thailand in this super lightweight fight.
Kung nagustuhan nyo yung mga gantong content mga kababayan, don't forget to like the video. Comment kayo dyan sa ibaba, di ba? Re-replyan ko yan isa-isa. Comment nyo kung taga saan kayo. Nako! Tinigil bigla, Brad. Masyadong mismatch. Iihito ng dugo sa body shot na talagang pambutas. Okay. Ang bilis lang no? Ang bibilis matapos ng laban. Top 2 knockout tayo ni Soledad, Brad. Okay, Thailand ulit. Ito, may title na. Bagong laban, May 31, 2025 for the ABF Super Lightweight title. Soledad versus Rax Sapit, and credits to Highland Boxing Gym and also credits to Pinoy Boxing Prodigy din na dahil nanghiram tayo ng video nila. Maraming salamat po.
Explain that a little bit more, Jimmy, because it's more than just the lead leg. What you have to do, how do you
Good
have to
counter
angle
by
yourself up?
Thailand.
Well, you've got to remember, when you get that lead leg on the outside of your opponents, it allows you to step closer in
Sabayan,
and land a more powerful shot. But here we are, both fighters.
Nagpapaulan ng hook si
Going for it in the
Soledad.
center of the ring. Neither step there, Ali, just absolute.
Papayakap yung kalaban kasi grabe yung Soledad, Brad.
And Jatapal to
Grabe.
start firing
Oh.
each other.
Round 1 pa lang to, ha? Tinamaan ng hook. Grabe.
Cracks him right down to the canvas. Recover. Referees at 7.
May gantong Pinoy pala.
And that is it.
First round ulit.
Soledad
Grabe.
improves his professional record, his undefeated record there. Really fast
Replay.
and furious start for Raymond Soledad.
Lagpas 20 yung hook na binato niya. Yung isa tumama, tulog yung kalaban. Grabe tong taong to. Okay, top 1 knockout tayo, Brad. Ito yung pinakamahirap na laban ni Soledad. Ito yung pinaka-latest din niyang laban, November 29, 2025 for the WBC Asian Continental Welterweight title sa Bangkok, Thailand. And ito ang main event. Soledad versus Apinon Kongsong, champion ng Thailand.
On his record, 25 victories.
Pansinin nyo, Brad, malakas tong kalaban.
Title fight started.
Rema Soledad, very much a popular boxer.
Aba, kawig ni Mang Kanor, no? Itong kalaban pa kasi Mang Kanor, Brad, Mapang-asar din, Ngiti-ngiti pa, As you can see, mas malaki yung kalaban, Ngiti-ngiti pa, Animal na to. Mas aggressive yung kalaban, yung Soledad, kababayan natin. Kalmado. Diba? Looking for a counter pero mas dumidistansya siya pag umaatake yung kalaban.
This is the main loss. You can see why.
And you need that divide. And what a night it's been so far.
Grabe mag-counter to si Mang Kanor, no? Sumenyas-senyas pa eh.
1-2 there from Abinan. Referee warning of the low blow. Big right.
Good exchange, grabe sa bayan. Parehong malakas, brad, ha? Yung Mang Kanor may konting tactics. Mga panggugulang. Kilala sila dyan eh, yung mga Thailander.
To the medal and just do everything they can.
Yun, no?
What a drama.
Sumisenyas-senyas pa eh, gago tayo, no? Good exchange, grabe si Mang Kanor, brad. Malakas din.
To people who pay money, this is what they pay to see. They pay to see.
And unti-unti nang umaabante si Soledad. First round pa lang to.
Round number one. Biding their time because that's exactly what we're seeing.
Okay, second round.
A lot of fans from the Philippines in this main event action.
Stalemate again between these two. Good job.
And that's the
Magaling din mag-jab yung kalaban.
doesn't always need to be treated.
In alerto si Soledad dahil may lakas din yung kalaban, delikado din. Good hook by Soledad.
Because any shot that hurts them, they don't want to go down.
Good counter by Soledad.
Would put most people down. It's a lot harder to go down.
Good right by the opponent. Sa bayan, no?
Right hand there by Abs.
Uy, tumama yung overhand. Nangingiwi, oh. Medyo ano, ha? Tensyonado na, ha, yung Thailander. Nararamdaman yung lakas ng Pinoy.
This is what we're going to be witnessing right now. It doesn't look phased by what is happening in front of him, which is a very, very...
As you can see, Brad, andun si Albert Pagaraw sa may corner ni Soledad. Nakatingin, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, ano to? Kumbaga, isa to sa disipulo ni Albert Pagara. Ginagabayan din.
Overexert there with the right uppercut. Apinan pulls it back. 1-2 by Raymar. And his... Was Apinan took his...
To be fair, magaling yung Thailand. May tira din. Hindi siya one-sided katulad ng mga pinanood natin kanina.
Representing Thailand in the blue corner.
In the room, one half of the audience shouting for Remat, the other shouting for
Di ba? Chess match talaga eh.
Bangkok, live on Trill.
Yeah, I mean, you talked about that split in the room. I mean, you got two fighting nations. Lots of great...
Uy, good right.
Coming out of the Philippines.
Mabigat yung kanan nitong Soledad na to. Delikado, Brad.
Very, very tough fight. Anything happening on lands.
And they're definitely making it easier for us to sell this fight, Jimmy. Stalemate between both fighters.
Good exchange. Kumonekta yung left ni Kong Song.
And there.
And again, he just circles his way out. Back in central ring for both these fighters.
Di ba? Mahaba yung kamay eh. Saka magaling din siya mag-counter, Brad. Yung fundamentals niya andun. Good hook.
Jab there by...
Uy!
So you can tell he's trying
Laki
to
ng kalaban.
power shots again. Remat tells me
Naku, napuruhan si Soledad dun, ha.
Of course, Apinan is getting shots through Ali Bull himself here and not allow the audience to swear how he is.
Solid to si Mang Kanor, Brad. Di ba? Pambato ng Thailand. Magaling to, magaling kumayod to, Brad. Okay, fourth round tayo. Ganda ng laban.
Sound like they're about to fall down the crowd.
Goods na goods to, pang top 1 knockout. Sino kaya mananockout dito? Di ba? Comment nyo dyan sa ibaba. And tingin nyo ba may potential ba maging world champion to si Soledad? Kung kakalkulahin nyo yung abilidad niya, may palag nga ba to sa mga Japanese ngayon? Comment dyan, Brad, sa ibaba. And ano na rin, comment nyo kung taga saan kayo. Re-replyan ko yan isa-isa para malaman ko kung taga saan yung mga viewers ko. Maraming salamat po.
It's not really who's controlling the range. It's both fighters are accepting. I'm gonna let. I'm also gonna start firing shots.
Diba? Pagkatira nung Thailand, sabay yakap ng konti, diba? Neutralize. Mautak din eh. Eh no? Diba? Yayakapin siya kagad eh. O, diba?
Again, swinging and this accurately to the body up to the head. Between these two, we've seen this way too many times, Jimmy. What's the reason why these two are overthinking it too much?
Okay, good exchange. Grabe. Sobrang dikit lang. Parehong may tira.
Assess the range like we think they do. They're just kind of aware of it. It's kind of like two cats fighting in the
Uy, tumama yung right. Napatawa si ano, Mang Kanor. Ramdam niya yung lakas ng Pinoy, Brad. Umaakbay na eh. Grabe to. Oh, ang daya, no? Nangyayakap sa may titira. Aba. Oh. Ayun, oh. Ano, tinamaan ka tuloy. Nangyayakap ka kasi.
Like it was a low blow.
Yung ginagawa niya kasi, pumapatong siya kay Soledad. Pagkatapos niyang umatake, sabay patong, di ba? Para hindi makaganti yung Pinoy. Yan, tinamangan ka sa goal tip.
We're gonna get it hopefully as this fight.
I believe it was intentional.
Okay, kumounter yung Thailand. Soledad talagang agresibo. Grabe, killer instinct yan.
Judge A scoring
Fifth round tayo mga kababayan. Grabe, umabot pa ng fifth round to ha. Solid exchange.
And Judge scoring at 36 to the
Uy, good counter by Thailand. Pero wala, dihado talaga siya sa Pinoy. Grabe oh. Ito maganda Brad, nagkakainitan na. Ito maganda. Ito mga gantong laban talagang ano eh, ma-excite ka eh. Kung sino yung matutulog kasi nagkakayabangan na eh.
beautiful right hand there. That would be done.
Ali, one person giving it all. What you see in the fight.
Okay,
Yeah, judges.
It is to judge because, like I said,
good exchange. Tindi na itong Thailand din pero tingnan natin. Tumatakbo yung Thailand ha. Yakap siya oh. Sabay tulak diba?
final half all wild. Drama where we need it. Both fighters just kind of
Uy, good body shot. Ayun lang. Tumiklop. Nakko. Tinamahan sa bodega, Brad. Basag yung ribs niyan. Wala nga na, parang hotdog, oh. Paikot-ikot na lang, eh. Panalo, grabe tong Pinoy na to. Pinakamahirap niyang laban yon, champion ng Thailand. Ginanon-ganon lang. Replay natin. Bang! May body shot na nakasingit. Ayun, oh. Grabe, kawawa. Tanggal yung angas niya, Brad, sa Pinoy.
Soledad!
Solid to.